Welcome back to Metal Chopping Block. I'm Sam.
I'm Nick.
And on this episode, it's an episode of firsts. Nick, explain.
Yeah, we got a lot of things that we've done for the first time. Obviously, we've done our first year. We've done our first year. Yeah. Something that's very exciting we just did. We did our first event.
Oh, events, yes.
Yeah, so Brook Restoration contacted us, wanted us to do a barbecue for, I believe it was 30 or 40 people.
Oh, it was great, man.
Yeah, we had our signature drinks that we did on the show. We did 3 signature burgers that we done on our stuffed burger episode. And yeah, you can watch that to see how we did it all. We did some steaks. We did a bunch. It was
and yeah, everyone just loved it.
Yeah, it turned out pretty good. It was intimidating. I've never cooked for that many people ever. It was a little anxious, but
well, Nick,
we did it.
We're talking too much. Let's check out some highlights. Roll that film.
All right, this is Eric. He's been helping me with picking up all the food for today's event. A lot of work on this guy. I appreciate it.
All I gotta say is up the irons. I learned this from the show.
You got it, brother. He's off to pick up the booze. All right, guys. These guys are doing all the work, all the setup here. You want to introduce yourself?
Colin, and this is Metal Chopping Block, #1 in Toronto.
This is Duran, Metal Chopping Block, #1.
All right, so it's a bit of a rainy day, but it's still working. So far, so good. Cheers, boys. Sempre duro.
Salute.
This is Caitlin. She's the assistant to
Executive assistant here at
my
Brook.
boss. Yes, so she's helping out today. It's gonna be a good day so far. Smells pretty good.
It smells really good.
Rain's staying off. Up the irons, bro. Up the irons. Cheers. Up the irons. Sempre duro.
Thanks, Nick, from the Metal Chopping Block. What a great afternoon, bringing all the staff together, and the fact that you work for us is even better. And Brook Restoration.
I never wear aprons, but I did today. Look at that.
Metal Chopping Block.
Stay tuned to the end of this video for Metal Incorporated's Battle of the Bands winner, Hamara, with Under the Sun. Metal Incorporated raffle fundraiser. Grand prize worth over $400. $5 per raffle tickets. See description for details.
Thanks, Demon. We're back. So the other first that we've been a part of has been the podcast.
Yeah, that was pretty cool.
That was
our first interview that we had done. I guess we should check that out, no?
Well, let's check it out. Roll that.
And today we got something a bit different for you. It's not a band. It is another show just like ours, but this time it mixes metal with cooking. What's up, dudes? And I'm here to introduce the Metal Chopping Block. What's up, guys?
Hey, what's up?
Hey guys, how you doing? Up the iron.
Good.
Very nice to meet you guys. Very nice to have you guys on the show.
We used to be in a band way back in the 80s.
Oh yeah.
And the name of the group was called Deadly Blessing. So our friendship has gone back since, I guess, high school. We decided to put our words into action and start to show up. And then once we started, it was just like, the light bulb kind of went off and it was like, this is actually really good. So that's where we're at.
You guys have a very interesting, I think very entertaining concept of obviously combining metal music with cooking. I'm always entertained by watching you guys' show because you keep the energy up, you keep it very lively and a lot of fun as well.
Well, me and Sam talked about it a lot. Now, in the beginning, a lot of people said, no, don't put music involved, don't change it up. But the whole point always was we love food, we love booze, and we love metal. And we always wanted band and music to be a huge part of the show. It wasn't just about cooking. Music's important. And I know when we were in a band, we didn't have any of the stuff that everybody has today. We would have loved to have guys like yourself, technology, just to get us out there. We didn't have that. So, I mean, our band days are over, but there's so many talented musicians out there, so many talented bands that we've been exposed to now since this show. We have a list of guys who want to be on. And I mean, anything we can do to help promote anybody's stuff, even if it's metal we're not into. I mean, we're old school 80s guys, so obviously we're Maiden heads. We love power metal, or I guess what's it called now? It's called heavy metal now, classic heavy metal. But whether it's death metal, whatever it is, we're into supporting any band that's out there that actually practices, has some skill, and just gets themselves out there, man. We love it.
Yeah.
We love it. It's exciting as anything.
Like our show consists of me and this guy, but we have all these bands and we've all come together under a really cool collaboration. And I think the show is looking pretty kick-ass.
It's getting there.
It's getting there. So, yeah.
That's why I love metal. It's like the community is just so welcoming. It's beautiful.
Because we're the coolest on the planet, bro.
It doesn't care
really
where you are, where you're from.
Because we got the horns.
Yeah.
All right, boys.
Let's
Glad
go.
talking. Have a great weekend.
Up the irons. Sempre duro from Metal Chopping Block. We dig you, love you. Everything we do is all together.
All right, guys. Said it better. You guys have an awesome day.
You too, guys. Nice meeting you guys. Nice talking.
All right, so Nick, now in honor of Metal Incorporated, they did their first Battle of the Bands, and the big winner is
Hamara, right?
Hamara.
Am I pronouncing properly? That's where we made this drink. Under the Sun. Their song is Under the Sun. Congratulations.
Congratulations, an amazing band from Colorado.
And we're very excited to feature you on our next
For
show.
the second time.
Yeah.
They are back. So, here we go, Nick. Cheers. Sempre duro, up the irons. All right, so in honor of Hamara and Metal Incorporated for their firsts, we're going to open up a special bottle that was in my father's, my father who passed. In his liquor cabinet, this is a 10-year-old bottle of brandy. And yeah, so for Hamara and Josh at Metal Incorporated, because he's a solid dude, helps us out a lot.
You got it, brother.
Because you're a freaking awesome
And
guy.
they got a website out now. Check out their website. They got all kinds of cool stuff. They got merch.
Well, look, if you look in the description, you get all the information on Metal Incorporated. And cheers to that. Let's get this bottle opened.
Smells
Smells
fantastic.
unbelievable.
This is 10 years old, right?
Yeah, it's 10 years old. So, in honor of my father and Metal Incorporated and Hamara, we're going to do a shot for you. Yeah, Nick, you can have that one. Not too light. Perfect. For midday.
So for all the firsts we've had so far, our first year's been pretty exciting. Thanks for Brook
Restoration.
for challenging us and
Giving us a challenge up
yeah,
our first
which
events,
we did.
catering events. All right.
Sempre duro.
Sempre duty up the irons.
Thank you for all your support.
You guys are awesome.
Check.
First time we started to drink.
First time with a drink with you, you're spilling it all over.
This is the first time we're starting an episode without a drink in our hands, too.
We always have it.
This is the first time. Usually we're making the drink.
No, we always have a shot of something.
This is the first episode of the first, Nick.
Oh, okay.
We're trying to be on the first of the first, not the second of the last. And on this episode, it is an episode of firsts. Nick, explain.
Yep. So, let's try that again.
Thanks, Demon. We're back. What a great event that was. But oh my God, I spilled this whole drink everywhere. Oh my God. All right.
Last one. This
is the last take, man. I'm telling
almost
you.
done. I gotta make another one now. I got nothing
Holy
left.
shit. I have another drink. Thanks, Demon. We're back. And what a great. Oh my God. All right. All right, we're back. Nick, what a great. I can't even talk. All right, we're back. Nick, what a great event by Nick. I should drink less, never mind more.
Okay.
Hold on. All right, we're back. Thanks, Demon. What a great event by Brook Restoration, eh, Nick?
It was a lot of fun. Everybody had a great time. Food was Okay, fuck it. I gotta make another fucking drink. By the time he gets this right, it's gonna be my fucking fourth one. How fast I was talking. Okay, let's try it again.
And now the winner of the Battle of the Bands, Hamara with Under the Sun.